5 things I hate about, well, not so much hate, let the Citroen DS3 down. Number 1, no particular order, but number 1, rust bubbles. Nothing you can do about it. You can chop them all out and they'll come back. Also, same with the arches, or should I say the inner and rear. Another common problem, although we're not on this one at the minute, you have a rust of the mirrors, and the telltale sign is a little dribble there. There's no rubber seal between the metal of the mirrors and the metal of the door, so over the time water gets inside and creates a little rust trap or a water trap, and then the rust appears. It's just starting there, look, but it will eventually go behind there. That's number 2. Number 3 is the exhaust hangers on the rear box. Basically, I heard it described as being made of spaghetti, and you're always replacing the hangers on the rear exhaust box. The general overall consensus of the Citroen is that rust is a big problem. Number 4, again number 4, rust. I don't know if you can see it, but it does tend to show up quite quickly, and certainly as the cars are now quite old. This is an 11 plate, it's showing up quite a bit. And then number 5, what's probably classed as the major one on these vehicles, is the timing chain. The manufacturer gives a lifetime of the vehicle, but everybody knows anything around about 50-60,000 you're looking at getting a new chain. They stretch, and then when they go, or they jump a tooth, then that's it, game over for the engine. And they're quite an expensive change as well, £700–800. So yeah, although they're a snazzy looking car, very trendy.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
Look quite smart. Inside's nice. I feel a little bit cheap. Get out of my shadow. Here's the rust bubbles again. The wing and the arches. And there as well. But if looked after, it could be a pretty tidy used car buy. Interior is quite nice, if a little flimsy. I don't know how good this is going to come out with the sun and the shade keep altering the focus. Sorry about the dogs in the street barking. A little bit cramped in the back, getting in and out, although seemingly easy. Getting in and out in's easier than getting out, because you're having to mind the seat belts. So this is the the 1.4. I think this is what they call the design, which is like the base model. It's quite a nice place to be, and one of the other things I could probably put as 6, but it's not a height thing, it's just suspension's quite firm. Let's give you a bit of a sporty feel, I suppose. So yeah, they're the things to watch out for. Well, certainly some of them. Thanks for watching. Catch you all again next time.